Okay, so hello fellow coin collectors, and this is Glenn, and today is mail time. Let's see what products I have actually got. So, I've got 4 letters, because I like to buy stuff, keep some for my collection, and actually sell the rest. So, I think this is, Mexico. Well, looks like a bulk lot of half pennies from the United Kingdom, and the last one is this is from Alan Pretty. I've brought off him a few times. They've always been quite good. Actually, I think I've brought off all these sellers a few times. And if you want to know, I actually purchased them off eBay. And this one is a Greek coin set. So I just need to actually cut it out. See, it's actually nice sealed plastic. So this one actually won't get damaged in transport, which is actually the way you should actually. Okay, so there's the Greek ones. I don't have a few of these, so I will probably keep the 5 and 10 drachma and the half drachma, but the rest I don't need. So, there you go, that one come out of the actual packet. But first of all, I actually like to have a look at the stamps. What stamps have we got? So, we have got some of the older stamps, so King Penguins, Australian Antarctic Territory, and these ones are dated 1993. So someone kept these ones since 93, and they're just using them for postage because that's pretty much all the stamps are worth now, except colonial ones. And here's another one. There's a ship 5 cents. So that's probably the lowest value stamp you can get is 5 cents. Then we have concession stamps. So these are for people who are pensioners. 2017. I think these cost about, I can't remember. They used to be 65 cents. It might still be. This one's been cancelled. Up there. This is the cancellation. And the last one I have is "50 years of transcontinental railway." So this is probably the stamp they use on a PNC for the 50-cent coin if they actually issue one. I haven't actually looked it up, but it's actually quite nice. I like that stamp. I used to like trains. Don't actually get much into them at the moment because I have too much things going on as it is. So here we go. Here's the 3rd Greek drachma, and he's introduced in 1954. So, oh god, keep dropping it. Where did it go? And here's the actual monarch. Screw that coin. Here's the actual 5 drachma, 954. So, pay loss. Can't remember his name. And when I do another video on these, I'll actually show them. Yes, a Hercules. So that's a 5. Then we have the lowest copper nickel coin, 50 lepta. Nice, beautiful reading. Then we have the 1 drachma. So the 5, 10, and 20 lepta are actually aluminium coins. And here's the largest one in base metal, 10 drachma. This one's 959. Then they issued a 20 drachma. Where's the 20? I was going to make a video on it, and it should be on the table somewhere. Anyway, won't worry about that. And then I have a lot of half pennies. So looks like most of them are 1900s coins. We've got Elizabeth II. We've got George VI. Who's that? George V. 1911. 1934. Looks like we've got Edward as well. Queen Victoria. Oh, I've got some Queen Victoria. So there's Queen Victoria there. Pretty worn. So these ones are for making actual videos. Let's take one out and we'll find out. So they either have... So here are two of them. 1917 and 1923. And as you can see the actual ghosting, you can see the monarch's head on the Britannia side. So to Edward VII. And then we have the ship issue. So here's the actual ship. 1967, so that's a frozen date issue to 1970. Actually, I think they withdrew those beforehand. And those I'd actually need to have a look up a bit more. So here's one of the oldest of the lot, not in good conditions, but 1806. Oh, yeah, 1806, George III. These are actually not too rare. Here's a better one in better condition, does have a corroding. And 1907, but it still has a lot of damage on it. And then we have 1891. That's pretty bad condition. But Victoria. Anyway, what can you expect? I actually didn't pay much for those coins. And then we have a lot of, so Indonesian, probably $1 or $2 for that. This one I quite like. This East Africa 1942, 1 cent. Then we have a 1 penny, New Zealand. Another Greek coin, 5 drachma. This is 1966, so here's the other coin of his father. So this is Constantine. And you can see that they're actually rotated like American coins, so that's called coin rotation. And these ones are actually metal rotation. Indonesian coins, 5 rupiah. 2 South Vietnamese coins, so 1 and 10 dong. This one is 1968. This one's 1960. Then we have copper nickel 1941, 20 cents from Indochina. So this is a precursor to Vietnam. So Vietnamese currency was first issued 1953. And before that they actually issued French Indochina coins after the Second World War. This was made in aluminium. Then we have Mexican coins. So I love this 20 centimeters. It's my favorite Mexican coin. 50 centimeters, 500, and this one is a 20. Don't have that one yet. 20 centimeters. So it's pretty much why I brought it. And then I got 2 more and don't know why I've done that. So now I'm just looking for the 50 pesos. Oh, that's 20 pesos, not bloody. And let's have a plug of the actual guy I actually got them off. So here we go. Gary O'Brien. So that is nice coin. This is 100 pesos. And the highest coin I actually issued was 5,000. That's pretty hard to get. So this one is an ancient Tenochtitlan. That's actually a structure that's been there since before the Aztecs. So let's take one out and find out. So here's the actual coin. It has a Mexican coat of arms. So United States of Mexico. And then we have, and down below actually has this Tenochtitlan. You can actually look it up on Wikipedia. There's lots of information about it. And 1954, they used these until the 70s. So it's actually quite a nice coin to get. And later on, I'll actually do some videos on Mexican coins. So this is the 80s series of inflationary coins. I don't have the 205,000 because they're actually pretty hard to get. So a lot of these coins make videos, and I thank you very much for watching. Leave some comments down below on what you think coins are actually good to collect now.